Today we will be testing the STD filtered Gaussian moving average.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the STD filtered Gaussian moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 56 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 750 indicators, with 301 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested 10 of the winning indicators in the advanced testing stage. 4 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the STD filtered Gaussian moving average, and you can see it here on screen. And so in the last video, we also tested a similar styled moving average to this one, also by the same creator. Again, the creator of this indicator is pretty amazing, makes some really awesome indicators, and I highly recommend you go check out their page. And so since that one did so well as far as a moving average goes, compared to all the other moving averages that we have tested over the over time, then I figured it would be worth testing this one as well. Obviously this one's a little bit different than yesterday's, but the setup is pretty much identical. So we have the moving average line here, and you can see that the creator adapted the bar coloration to the indicator there, and there are these yellow arrows with the little yellow L. I know it's really hard to see right there, and so that basically gives us our long signal. And then there are the little purple S's with a purple S or a purple arrow there, along with the red coloration, red bar coloration, and red shift in the moving average. And so that is our short signal there. And so obviously when we get a L, we're going to go long. When we get an S, we are going to go short. So that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal right here. We got a push to the upside here, and it is just barely enough to get us to our take profit, but it does hit our take profit nonetheless. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we then pick up a short right here on this one. Pretty much immediately, well, we get a little bit of a push to the downside there, and then it pretty much immediately from there spikes straight back up and stops us out. We then pick up a long over here on this side, and this one does immediately this drop down, and it does come down and stop us out as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here, and we were able to get a nice push to the downside there, and that one did come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here. We get a push to the upside on the very next candle, and that was just far enough up to get us to our take profit before it then rolls over and starts to push down. We then pick up a short right there. I don't think that was enough to get us. Yep, it actually just barely got us to our take profit on the wick of this candle right here. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here, and this is specifically our Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information for all the patrons to be able to take advantage of. This is Sasquatch here. He is one of our members. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting pretty much every single day that the market is open. Charts with market analysis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, and even sometimes where he is planning on taking some trades, take profit and stop and the whole deal. It's a lot of great information you can learn from just watching Sasquatch and analyzing the charts that he puts up. Our admin Jay is trading futures and doing the same thing where he is putting up charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance and areas of interest, the trades that he's looking to take, and so on. And some of the other members are also following along and posting some charts and different stuff as well. One of our members here, let's see, there posted a really nice chart. Again, marked up with areas of support and resistance, areas of interest where he is planning on taking trades and such. And so there's a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, being able to hang out in here and really advance your knowledge just by kind of, like I said, following along and looking at what everybody is doing and what they're posting, how they are analyzing the market. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, so back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back there, and all right, let's get this counted out here and see what we was able to get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together. I think that was the same number that we had on the last video. Let's go ahead and count out our winners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Definitely not like yesterday's video, the last indicator that we tested like this. And so this one just had the timing, just wasn't quite right. It was calling shorts right as it was going long, calling longs right as price was going short, and it just kind of stumbled around, trying its best, but just wasn't able to get give us what we were looking for. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.